वेलकम टू दुर्गा इंजीनियरिंग वर्क्स। सो आज आप लोग सभी का स्वागत है हमारे दुर्गा इंजीनियरिंग वर्क्स में एंड दुर्गा रिग्स में। द बोथ कंपनीज आर अवर्स. One is Durga Engineering Works, who makes drilling rigs, and Durga Rigs is working with the government, taking all the projects related drillings and providing best service all over the India. So here we manufacture this DEW DR direct rotary 700 feet depth capacity machine. Actually this machine fits on ICER. This machine's mast length is 35 feet compared to our 800 feet model. This is short, while in this model you can easily move anywhere, any awkward roads from villages or inside the cities. Having a look, we use a heavy duty engine, Ashok Leyland. Our mast is heavy duty, completely heavy duty. We provide diesel tank, electric panel box, engine, centrifugal pump 4x4, Ashok Leyland gearbox, hydraulic oil tank, 16-inch rotary table. While in this model we provide a new design for standing on machine. I will show you this one. If sometime operators or staffs want to change the V-belt of centrifugal pump, they can open easily this pin and put here, and they can stand on this easily and work everything. I can show you a clear view of our machine. Everything is brand new. Actually we are complete provide export quality machine. All our customers, Durga Rigs customers, know. While here in the rotary table, all the levers and clutch lever, brake lever, gear lever, hydraulic lever will install after the chrome and finishing. While after 2 or 3 days we upload a very complete video of our machine from drone or cameras. Have a look. We install heavy duty joints. This joint is using in 1000 to 1500 feet depth capacities. Have a look. 4-inch joints. Have a look. Once again, thanks everyone. Our machine looks dashing in all video. Thanks.